Hey y'all, F2RV, how you doing? Sorry, I got to get behind the slide here because the sun's setting and there's no shade anywhere. It is hot. It's October this weekend. It's probably in the 80s right now. I'm kind of sweating a little bit. But we're at Fayetteville RV Resort one more time here. We've been here for Winter Wonderland. We were here a month or so ago for the Luau. This weekend is Oktoberfest. Stay tuned, we're gonna check the beer box for the first time in a while here. Well, hey, welcome back. What did we go with? Sierra Nevada Oktoberfest. So if you watched one of our last videos, we were in gorgeous state park out in the mountains of North Carolina, and we stopped by the Sierra Nevada brewery out there towards Asheville. It was our second time there. We've been there one other time. So I figured I'd get Sierra Nevada Oktoberfest in tribute to them. Prost. Now that's a good brewski. Wicked Pissa. Dawn got me that in
Maine.
What part of Maine? Bar Harbor? Bahaba?
Booth Bay.
Booth Bay Harbor? One or the other, I don't know. Yeah, so we're gonna have a fun weekend. It is hot. I mean, it feels like it's 85 degrees out here, and I'm trying to get out of the sun. It's next to impossible.
It's only 73.
It's 73? Why am I sweating?
Maybe
73.
The hot peppers you ate?
That could be it. We had made Mexican for dinner, and we used habaneros from the garden.
They're doing charity bingo at 6, and then they're gonna have some light hors d'oeuvres.
Horse divorce. And then tomorrow's all day, just like the luau.
Starts with breakfast at 9:30, Belgian waffles.
What else?
4 o'clock starts dinner. You're gonna have a bouncy house, beer tasting, some Oktoberfest games.
And who's the band?
It's a band that was on America's Got Talent.
2 people that were on America's Got Talent, so we'll find that out tomorrow. So we're gonna leave here in about an hour to hit the horse divorce. So they have some German horse divorcee up there, and a couple German beers to try, and then they're gonna start bingo soon. Dawn didn't bring any cash, so we're not gonna play.
7 of hearts. 7 hearts.
Hey, good morning. So we just kind of stayed there at bingo last night for a little while. They played it differently using a deck of cards. I've never seen that before. And then we just came back to the camper and watched a little TV and hit the sack. But it is Saturday morning. Let me show you what we got today. Full day, starting at breakfast at 9 a.m. So let's get the day started. Do a little nice brisk walk this morning before breakfast. Try to get some steps in. It's cloudy right now, but according to the weather, it's supposed to be
80 and sunny.
And sunny this afternoon. So I might have to put on some sunblock. The whole event's outside. Anyone out there that's owned a camper knows that you got to be a little bit handy. You will always have an issue with your camper. This is our 3rd camper, and we've had issues with all 3 of them. Oh, look who it is. That is our 3rd television. Our 3rd television in the bedroom. What was happening was, connects back here, but it would come loose driving down the road, and when the slide is in, the slide would catch the edge of the TV and basically break the screen. First time it happened, we knew what was happening. We were always taking it off and just putting it down here. That's the only thing we could think to solve it. I don't know what happened to the second one. I guess we just forgot to put it down, but same thing happened to the second TV, so I just put the 3rd TV in. I brought the camper home on Thursday. These 2 pieces of trim came off. They were laying on the ground, so we had to get those back installed. This was the first issue we came across when we brought Brake and Dawn home on Thursday. Our Firefly panel, I don't know if you can see that. I went to open up the slides, and it said that it was locked because it was thinking that the camper was still plugged into my truck, so it didn't allow me to put the slides out. Of course it wasn't. Took us about an hour and a half to figure that out. Dawn kept Googling things. What we finally did was took all the power off, undid the batteries, totally got all the power off of the camper, and it reset. So luckily, after an hour and a half of trying to figure it out, we got that fixed. So that was inexpensive. This opening here, something's going on with it. A lot of times, excuse the motorcycle, this door will hit, and actually it's not hitting at all, so I don't know what's going on now. But what's happening is the lock, when it comes down, it's hitting the catch down here. Let me show you. See it hitting? And when I lift this up, I can get it to that point, but it won't catch. That's where I'm at right now, trying to figure out a way, if anything, to get this door to shut, at least for the ride home. Even when you have tools and you bring nuts and bolts and screws, all kind of different tools in here, you still need something else. I was able to get it so it will close, at least I can get home. I got a strip screw right here, so I can't do any adjustments because I cannot get that loose at all. But I was able to get it adjusted enough that I could get this door closed, at least for the ride home. So problem halfway solved. Well, we decided to take our bikes over to the Oktoberfest. But look at this Grand Design Momentum. This is quite the setup right here. Look at that. Look at the little smart car. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Let's just ride around. There's nobody out there.
All right, we're gonna ride our bikes a little bit and then hit Oktoberfest. Let the festivities begin. Oktoberfest.
Yes, sir. What are you playing? We're playing hammer slide. Okay, so here's the rules. Everyone's gonna pick a nail. You're gonna stand in front of your nail. You're gonna get one swing per turn. Okay, whether you hit the nail or miss. The first person who gets their nail driven into the stump all the way, where the head is flush with the stump, is the winner. Okay. Now the caveat is you don't use this end of the hammer. You use this end. Okay? And they walk away.
Everyone
you lost them all.
Well, you lost everybody.
And you get one swing. Yep.
You don't even get the.
You don't get to aim.
He won.
I
It's
won
gone.
It's gone. Watch your eyes.
Yep. So I'm glad I got glasses on.
Put the glasses on. Still can't see.
Holy moly.
And they'll make one run for the championship. Okay? As you go through the course, you're going to be given 2 steins, one in each hand. These are all exactly the same weight. Zigzag through the cones. Okay? Zigzag through the cones. Up over the balance beam. If you fall off, you come back to the beginning.
What if it breaks?
Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag.
Move the hip.
Good afternoon. We are really glad to be here. This is my Uncle Dosey Chapman, and my name is Riley Madison. We are
They got some beer over there, a bunch of German beers. You get to pick which one you like the best.
Alright, y'all. So like you said, I was on season 20 of American Idol, and
be whole fist, okay? Like this. And you're gonna hold the sign straight out. Last man standing win. And when I say go, you're gonna lift it up, okay? So anybody who's participating, get your hand on. Cannot, no, don't lift up. You want to get a good grip. 1, 2, 3, lift. Straight elbows.
I can see some arms wanting to go down.
Nice. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. We're seeing some wobbles. Seeing some wobbles.
Who's on first? If you don't watch, it's not happening.
Buddy, don't give up. There's 3 of you left.
You want
4 of
last
you
time,
left.
you can win again. Oh, we're seeing some wobbles.
Buddy, look at me. Don't give up.
Oh my God.
Bye, don't give up.
What do you mean, don't give up?
Just look at me.
Keep going, keep going.
Bye.
No, I'm seeing the wobbles over here.
Tears fill my eyes, still I can see.
3 o'clock in the morning. Here am I.
Boy, was that a fun evening. Sorry we didn't get back to you. We just enjoyed ourselves listening to the singing and playing the games and stuff. I got 12 months of intensive training ahead of me. I'm not nearly as athletic as I thought I was. All right, well, it's Oktoberfest, so happy scary season. We will see you again soon. I don't know where we're doing next.
We have the North Carolina mountains in 3 weeks.
There you go. But of course, this video is probably going to be out a lot later than beginning of October, that's for sure. All right, well, as always, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.